In this video, I'll show you how to prevent WhatsApp from saving media, including photos, videos, audio, and documents, to your phone's gallery. But before we dive into the process, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to keep your gallery clutter-free. Share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started with the method. First, open your WhatsApp on your smartphone. If you're not already logged in, make sure to log in. Now, let me show you a common scenario. I'll send a picture from another WhatsApp account to this one. You'll notice that this picture gets saved to your phone's gallery, which can be quite bothersome. To stop this from happening, open WhatsApp. Go to the Chats tab and tap on the three vertical dots at the top right. Then, select Settings. Under Chats, you'll find the Media Visibility option. It's currently turned on, allowing newly downloaded media to appear in your phone's gallery. To prevent this, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. With Media Visibility off, your WhatsApp media won't be saved in your phone's gallery. Now, when you receive media in WhatsApp, it won't automatically appear in your gallery. This keeps your gallery clean and clutter-free. However, if you want to apply this setting for a specific contact, follow these steps. Enable media visibility for all contacts in WhatsApp settings. Open the specific chat you want to modify. Tap the three dots at the top right. Then select View Contact. You'll find the Media Visibility option, which you can set to No. This way, media from this particular contact won't be saved in your gallery, while others will follow the default setting. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can find more tutorials on our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials.